Over the last 5 years, there's been thousands of birds dying of avian botulism toxin poisoning. The Waterways wastewater treatment plant, a slow, horrible death. It affects their nervous system, they eventually drown. The maggots are also full of toxins, poisonous to bird life and fish life. And the council and can choose to do nothing, only take the carcasses away. Not prepared to frighten the birds off to protect them. There used to be thousands of welcome swallows. They've also died through toxins from eating the insects. They store the toxins in their bodies, but are not affected by the toxin. This has to be cleaned up. This is toxic algae in the Ashley River. A teaspoon's enough to kill a 20 kg dog or a 2-year-old child. It is unsuitable to swim in, and it is slowly killing all our biodiversity in our waterways, fish and bird life. It is mainly caused by fertiliser, phosphorus from fertiliser and nitrate leaching. Fertiliser has to be cut back if we want healthy waterways in the future. In the Waimea this summer, the algae has grown prolifically early. The dark stuff in the bottom there is toxic algae growing, and the other algae is growing prolifically and catches all the sediment and it smothers all the rocks. The fertiliser has to be cut back for our future. This is coming from intensified farming upstream. This is the CAM Healthy Weed 2016. It's recovered from 2012 chemical destruction of our waterways. In 2018 in September, this is the CAM. This brown water is rotten sediment rolling down the river. No weed in it at all. Our biodiversity is virtually gone. All our shrimps, most of our bullies, and all other fish species have basically disappeared. This is a creek that's been sprayed, running into the mill stream, killed all the weed and most of the biodiversity. Going forward, we have to stop doing this. This is another creek running into the Kaiapoi. This is effective herbicide sprayed, rotten vegetation. This is a disgrace. This should not be happening. Sludge is coming up on our beach from the ocean outfall on an onshore breeze. The council has tested for enterococci bacteria. The sample come back at 24,200, action level 280, and the council done nothing in ECAN. This is an algae bloom in Littleton Harbour. ECAN said this was caused by the Waimea. In my opinion, this is caused by ocean outfall. This has to be cleaned up for our generations to come. Hi, my name's Michael Bates, standing for Mayor for the Waimea District and Councillor for the Kaiapoi Woodend Ward. A vote for me is a vote for cleaner rivers, cleaner beaches and a cleaner sewer and a common sense approach across all issues.